Wintergreen Lighting's OptiCore string light sets and pathway light sets make it easy for you to create your own professional quality Christmas light displays for your home. First, choose the light color you want. OptiCore string light kits come in a wide array of color options. You can choose warm white, cool white, red, blue, green, or multicolor. In addition to the primary colors, you also get choices like purple, gold, orange, and pink. You can also get popular color combinations like red and warm white, red and cool white, red and green, and blue and cool white. All of these are available on ChristmasLightsEtc.com. When you buy a kit, you get the bulbs and the matching C7 or C9 stringer in either green or white wire with 12-inch spacing. All you have to do is choose the length you need. When your light set arrives, just screw the bulbs into the light sockets of your stringer, plug them in, and enjoy. OptiCore string light sets are end-to-end connectable. So if you decide to add more OptiCore lights next year, or if you want to plug other Christmas lights into these, your female plugs are right there, ready and waiting for you. If you're an experienced hand at hanging Christmas lights and want to customize these sets, no problem. You can customize OptiCore string light sets using zip plugs and sockets to add lights or power taps wherever you need them. OptiCore pathway string light sets include stakes, so you have everything you need to create beautiful, professional-looking lights for your driveway, walkways, landscape features, and more. OptiCore string light and pathway light sets, the easiest way to get professional quality Christmas light displays for your home. Get yours today.